welcome back to another video of Crafty Cats. Now, today Crafty Cats are going to say, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. They also would like to tell you that this video will be fun and that you can always follow along with the videos and that this will be a great time. So, we have to move them back to uncover what we will do today. So, it looks like we have some supplies here. Not in the mystery box today, but supplies. So it looks like we have a marker, of course. It looks like we have a rock, just a plain flat rock. And of course, a pencil. Yeah. Then we also have this colorful marker set. And finally, here is just a box of markers to color with. So now, if we didn't get it by now, we're going to be drawing on our rock, then tracing it, then coloring it. So I think that we should get started. So first off, we're going to start by drawing on our rocks. So I'll be right back with my drawing done on my rock. And then we'll talk about the next step. Okay, so see you in a minute. Alright, so now that we've finished, my end result is this little bunny. And so now what you're going to want to do is you're either going to want to use some thin or a thick like Sharpie or marker or whatever to trace around this and color in the black spots and stuff like that. So we'll be right back in a minute with the Sharpieing done. Alright, we just finished Sharpieing and it looks like we got our little bunny Sharpie. Now also, if you need to, just let it dry for 1 minute and then go back and like kind of erase the lines. And yes, you can use an eraser and a pencil on here like we did in the beginning. So then next comes the fun part, coloring. So before, like I said, you probably already used the black thin or thick. I use the thick one, it just works better. But then just use all different colors. And even use like some sort of the brand if you want to. But yeah, so next step for your little rock fella is just a Sharpie. Well, you use Sharpie the color or different brands, but you get the point, just color. And I'll be back in a minute with that done. Alrighty, now that we're back, I can show you what we've done so far. So we've got our little bunny here, and I did not mention this in the beginning of the video at all, but what you can do is you can take like Mod Podge or something, and then just take your paintbrush, dip it in the Mod Podge, and then take your stone and just paint it on. So I'm going to do that just to make it shiny. So, but this is totally optional. You do not need to do this step at all, but I will be back in 1 minute. Alrighty, we have finished Mod Podging, and now it's time for the final result. Here it is, our cute little bunny, all blue and nice. And then we have our back for Crafty Cat. Our symbol is also there. It's not quite as nice as our logo, but this is going to be my symbol. So yeah, this was just a nice little Easter craft that I did. I decided to make it a bunny since it's Easter. And so yeah, I hope that you all have a wonderful week. And I hope that you all get well soon, because I know that we're in this pandemic, so just stay as healthy as possible. And yeah, so stay tuned for next week's video of Crafty Cat and a brand new craft coming your way. And finally, please just don't forget to subscribe at all, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. So yeah, Well, see you on Monday. Bye.